Hello traders, Caroline Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, July 25th of 2012, and welcome back everybody to our Q's analysis class here tonight. And hope you're all ready to analyze our Q's daily chart to see what we see happening here today. And wow, a beautiful pullback here again on the chart today. We're still stuck at these areas of resistance right here where you see the blue trend line and then also the 63.50, which I mentioned to you yesterday, and I stressed it to you so that you had your trend line put on the chart. And what we see here, we're struggling here big time at these areas of resistance and also at the 50-day moving average, which is here in dark red. So that is the moving average right here that I'm talking about. So that's a very significant area of support at this moment. So pay close attention to it tomorrow and the rest of this week, as well as the 63.50 and then the pink moving average up here and also that blue trend line, okay, which is a part of that rising wedge formation that we see on the chart. And we are outside of that rising wedge formation right here, continuing lower, but now we're stopped at these areas of resistance. Okay, so that's very important for you to pay close attention to. Those areas are significant, so make sure you watch them closely. And then also pay close attention to the low of yesterday, 62.51, as well as the low of today, 62.55, because if we do ever break through both of them and close the day below them, we could drop down to that next area of support down here at 61.68. So this is another area of support. And then let's move down to our MACD. Take a look at this. Wow, we are at the zero line at this time, breaking through it to the bearish side of the trade. Okay, so we're moving south. We're continuing south to the downside on the MACD, breaking through the zero line. So if we do get below the zero line, we will be in the bearish territory. And what you need to do is pay close attention to the chart. Make sure if it's going down, if it's stepping down here lower, make sure the MACD is also moving lower. So that is what I call a confirmation. And then as you can see, we've been having some increase in volume right there. We've been trading a pretty nice, decent volume above the average. So that's what I really like, and that's what I want you to pay close attention to as well. So first, look at the areas of support and resistance that I mentioned to you here today. And then the second step would be to look at the MACD to make sure it's confirming everything that you see happening on the chart. And then also look at the volume to make sure that we are still trading a pretty nice, decent volume. All right, yeah. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something here and you enjoy the class. So happy trading to all of you out there, and I will see you back in class tomorrow.